Hello everyone, in this session, let us try to solve another MST CELE board problem, and this is our board problem number 22. Let us start now solving another problem. In this session of us this day, we're going to solve another board exam problem, and it is all about route surveying. This questionnaire was given during the May 2018 CE board exam. And allow me to read the problem. An existing highway with bearing north 20 degrees is to be connected to another highway with a bearing of north 80 degrees east by a 4-degree simple curve. What length of curve is required? Given below is our illustration. Let's try to solve now the problem. As we can see in the given figure drawn below, in the figure, we have the central angle of our given curve, which is actually equal to 60 degrees, wherein if we're going to use this in calculating for the length of the curve and using the length of an arc formula, we're going to convert 60 degrees into pi radian, wherein we have to multiply it to pi over 180 degrees. Now going back to the figure, as we can see that the radius is unknown, but the degree of the curve is given. I think we can calculate this using the arc basis so that we can solve for the radius of the curve. And that formula would be r is equals to 1145.916 over d. So let us try to solve now the problem. And for the start of our solution, let us solve first for the radius of the curve. In solving for the radius of the curve, we must use the arc basis, and that arc basis is actually r equals to 1145.916 all over d. Again, I repeat, this is our formula in finding the radius of the curve. R is equals to 1145.916 all over d. Let us now proceed to direct substitution process. Our radius of the curve is actually equal to 1145.916 all over 4. And finally, our radius of the curve value is equal to 286.48 meters. We have calculated the radius of the curve because we need it so that we can solve for the length of the curve. In order to solve for the length of the curve, the radius solved must be multiplied by the central angle of our given curve. And in order to compute for the length of the curve, we can now solve for the length of the curve by using the r theta formula. Since we have already calculated for the radius and it is already given, our central angle is also given, but take note of this, our central angle must be converted into pi radian. That is why we have to multiply 60 degrees to pi over 180 to convert it into pi radian. Now let us solve for the length of the curve. For our solution, L sub c is equal to 248.60 times 60 times pi over 180. Then finally, our length of the curve is equal to 300 meters. Thank you very much and God bless us all. I hope you learned a lot.